Hi, this is Brian Cantoni, and this is a short video showing how to import HTML tables using Microsoft Excel for Windows. Alright, let's look at a couple of examples of using Excel Get External Web Data feature to pull in data that's in table format. So first one I have here is the Y Combinator company list, which is, as you can tell, nicely formatted into a table already. And what we're going to do is make note of this address, which is yclist.com. We're going to bring up Excel, and on the Data tab, we're going to choose the Get External Data from Web option. And we're going to put the address here, so that was yclist.com. We'll click Go, and it's actually going to use an embedded copy of Internet Explorer to fetch that page. The key thing we want to do here is pick the correct yellow box to show the minimal inside data set that we're trying to grab. Then we'll click Import, and we're going to bring it in here to our main worksheet. And you can see it's come over with the name, the URL, the class, the status, and the description, and all the contents underneath. You will notice that in the first column here we have no data, and if I switch back over to the web page, you'll see that it was an icon or a logo for each company, and Excel does not know how to deal with those, so it just omits them. So next, let's flip over to another sheet, and I will bring up a page of racing stats for Jeff Gordon. So this is a page with slightly more complicated markup and some ads and some other things. So we'll go ahead and give this one a try and flip back over to Excel. We'll click the From Web button. I'm going to paste in this address. It'll just take a second to load. Well, here's an example of where you can get into trouble because it's trying to run scripts on Internet Explorer, which is completely confusing Excel. So let me clean that up. There. Now you notice in this case, even though these tables are all actually table formatted, there are no yellow corner markers on each of these, and I think that's just a good example of a page that's a little bit too complicated for Excel to handle this way. So what you can do as an alternative is, if you come back over to the web page here, I can actually go ahead and just click and drag, and I'll copy this whole table. This is kind of a manual way to do it, but I'm just going to copy that, go back to Excel, and on the paste there's two options. One is with the source formatting, and the other is matching the destination. And I'm not clicking yet, I'm just hovering over these two options, and so you get a live preview below. So I'll go ahead and click on Match Destination Formatting. So you can see there, actually for all the power of the Get External Web Data functionality, a simple copy and paste for complicated web page like that works better. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, see my website at cantoni.org or follow me on Twitter at bcantoni.